Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tell you how to use the Bissell Proheat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner. This powerful machine is perfect for tackling pet stains, dirt and grime, leaving your carpets fresh and clean. Let's get started. First, unbox and assemble your carpet cleaner. In the box, you may find the main unit, a hose, a pet upholstery tool, a nozzle clean-out tool, a sample bottle of Bissell cleaning formula, and the user manual. Start by attaching the handle. Insert it into the body of the machine until you hear a click. After that, secure it with the provided screws. Next, prepare the cleaner. Remove the clean water tank by lifting it straight up. Unscrew the cap and fill the tank with the hot tap water to water fill line. Then add Bissell cleaning formula to the formula fill line. Screw the cap back on and place the tank back into the machine until it clicks into place. Now it's time to clean. Plug in your machine and select your cleaning mode. For deep cleaning, press the Deep Clean button. For quick cleanups, select Express Clean. Press the power button to turn on the machine. To start cleaning, recline the handle by pressing the recline pedal with your foot. Press the trigger to spray the cleaning solution while making a slow forward pass. Release the trigger and make a slow backward pass over the same area to extract the dirt and water. And that's it. Your now carpets will be clean and fresh thanks to the Bissell Proheat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.